Hi, this is Marianne Fessenden with AMTS, Agricultural Modeling and Training Systems. AMTS is a ruminant nutrition-focused software company that works primarily with nutritionists, veterinarians, and feed companies to help formulate diets for use on farms. We also have software that is designed for calf managers and feeders to perform the daily management task of feeding pre-weaned calves on the farm. I am primarily responsible for support and training in MixALot. I have created a series of short videos that will help step you through the setup and use of MixALot. The second video in our tutorial series demonstrates registering your farm account and gaining access to a 30-day trial of MixALot.
Let's take a quick overview of the program, then delve into setup and use. Some of you may be familiar with AMTS nutrition formulation programs, where the program is designed to be owned by the nutritionist or affiliated company who may be feeding several farms using that same program. MixALot is a departure from our customary selling model and is instead farm-focused. Each license serves one farm and is intended to be used by the calf manager for that farm. The license may be purchased by the farm or offered as a value add-on from the ingredient supply company. The cost is very reasonable, $30 a month or $360 per 14-month period if purchased annually. Milk ingredient companies can earn volume discounts for multiple license purchases. Let's take a fast walk through the program screens before focusing on the inputs for each individual screen. On opening, the first screen is the home screen. This screen is informational. You can view and create notes here. The milk screen contains the information about the parlor or waste milk being offered. The feed screen is where you bring in regular and hand-add ingredients. In the recipe screens, you create and check recipes, set nutrient parameters, and bring in recipe ingredients. The calves screen is for creating and managing groups, assigning recipes to groups, and setting the amount fed of each recipe. The report screen stores the MixALot button outputs, overall results, calves fed, milk used, and group cost. The settings screens is where you start the first time the program is opened, setting up mix batch sizes, measurement parameters, etc. The green MixALot button will run the best cost optimizer and generate results based on the information entered. You will also see additional buttons to the right. There is a button labeled Quick Start. This will bring up a startup guide that will step you through the basics of setup. A complete manual is accessible through the big black question mark. I will review the other buttons to the right of the main program buttons in more detail after explaining the primary functionality. There are a few things to be aware of in the approach to activating either a purchased MixALot program or even a program you are trialing. Firstly, it is web-based, so we can't really talk about downloading per se. It is more activation. As someone new to our products, on the Ag Model Systems homepage, click on Account Login and then Create Account tab. Add the information required and create a password. You will need to check your email to activate your account. After those initial steps, the next steps are the same whether you are a long-term user or a new account holder. After signing in to your Ag Model Systems account, go to the Start Free Trial button in the navigation menu. Click the control for Go to AMTS MixALot. This will add a trial of MixALot to your Ag Model Systems account dashboard. Click on the words next to MixALot that tell you to click here to create a login to MixALot. You will be directed to amts.farm/MixALot/login page. Even though you have an account with Ag Model Systems, This is a different website, and you need to create an account and verify your email. There is no difficulty if you decide to use the same credentials. Click Register to create an account. Fill out the form that opens. This is where you create your MixALot password. Again, there is no harm in using the same credentials you used to log into your AMTS account. And click Register to save the form. After registering, you will get a message telling you to go to your email to confirm. Click on the link in the email. That link will take you back to the MixALot page and provide the link to log in. Yes, it seems like a lot of repetitive steps, but the program is a separate page registry than Ag Model Systems, and you only need to do it once. If by chance you get a message saying that an account already exists in MixALot registry for that email, reach out to me or to AMTS support and we will get you sorted.
After activation through the link in the email, you will be brought back to this page in your browser. Clicking here will take you to the login screen where, after clicking Continue, you will be brought to the Setting screen to start setting up your farm. Our next video will help you get set up in the Settings screen. Thank you for watching. Click on the link for the next in this series or on our channel icon to see other available videos from AMTS. If you have any questions or need personal help, contact us at support@agmodelsystems.com.